Hello, in this video I want to talk about how you can sometimes use prompt to improve your animation quality. Let's say we want to generate some action for this image. For example, let's say we want to generate a sword slash animation. Let's generate. So as you can see, there are some problems. In the middle of the animation, the axe becomes a sword, mainly because this action is a sword slash action. So it's trained based on sword animation, but we actually provided an image of the character holding an axe. So we want to change to axe-based animation. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is I can put some prompt. For example, I can say holding an axe. And in the negative prompt, I can say holding sword to make sure the video avoid generating sword and change to axe. All right, let's see if it works. Just click regenerate. All right, as you can see, the panda is not holding sword anymore. The panda is holding an axe. You can also use prompt in the auto repose feature. For example, we want to generate an axe slash action for this panda. So if you click auto repose now, apparently it's going to give you a panda holding sword because it's a sword slash action. But what we can do is we can put some prompt here saying holding axe. Let's try. See, now it's changed to the panda holding an axe. That's all for this video. Thank you.